Hey loves, thanks for tuning in. I will be sharing more mommy videos on my channel. Shout out to my wonderful husband Tahi for being my cameraman. Thanks, honey. So the recipes for both of these cleaners will be down below. I learned them from cleanmyspace here on YouTube. So I normally wipe off any bits of food first, then I go in with the all-purpose cleaner. And I'm using paper towels in this video. You can definitely use microfiber cloths if you like. That's less wasteful. So I'm just wiping it down. So this is going to lift any dirt, grease initially off. It's an all-purpose cleaner. And I actually use both of these cleaners around my home. I've used them for a while now and I really like them. They are great, affordable options and they're less toxic than other store-bought cleaners. And you just want to keep in mind these are cleaners you're making at home, so they're not going to have a long shelf life like the store-bought ones. But I find that they clean even better, and it makes me even happier to clean because I know I'm not inhaling so much chemicals. I'm not touching that and absorbing it into my skin. So it's clean there, and then I'm going to go in with a disinfectant. And that's going to get rid of any bacteria, any germs. I just can't say enough how I really love these cleaners. I don't have to worry about the smell of Clorox wipes or 409 when I'm cleaning these, or even my daughter smelling those chemicals. So if you are looking for something that you want to do for yourself at home, I will recommend these cleaners. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the actual high chair. I'm sorry, the chair itself. And I normally just wipe her high chair down after every meal. And the good thing about alcohol, it really dries fast. That's the last spray after the all-purpose. So it dries really quickly. I don't have to worry about it being wet or sticky. Leave me some comments down below if you would use these cleaners. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.